Airplanes Part 3. It's me again, me17, and my friend Rafa filming.
AKA Impulse.
Okay.
Watch my videos.
So, anyway, it's the time you've all been waiting for. Ready to test these. Okay, so test flight number 1. Ready, set, throw. Wow, that was actually pretty good. A little bit off course.
Look how close to the line it got, dude.
Now, time for test flight number 2. And, okay.
Nope, that didn't.
Obviously, the first paper airplane is better.
That just went straight down and slapped the ground.
Like the first paper airplane is better for straight flights. This paper airplane's better for loops. But here's a tip. If the tip of this ever gets broken, you can just fold it in and make it'll literally stay the same. But now it's time for the moment, the epic moment of this video, where I fly both paper airplanes together. Okay, ready?
I don't think anybody's done this before, dude.
Oh my god, that worked so good!
Well, that flew, it went from like there. Woo! Boop.
That was just awesome. Please make sure, don't poke anybody's eye out with this paper airplane and with this part of the paper airplane. But anyway, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all later, and thanks for watching.
You always forget the bell. Slap that bell, guys. You always forget that.